It doesn't appear that enlightened Christian gathering church leader Shepherd Bushiri will be returning to Mzansi to face trial anytime soon. South African authorities are studying a High Court judgment from Malawi which essentially blocks his extradition. The self-proclaimed prophet turned fugitive, as well as his wife Mary, face multiple charges. These include rape, violating bail conditions and breaching financial and immigration laws. The couple skipped South Africa in 2020 after each being released on 200,000 rand bail. In March, a lower court in Malawi granted the South African government's request for extradition, but the couple appealed, winning their case at the High Court. Well, for the latest on this story, we are now joined by Terence Manasseh. He is the spokesperson for the Department of Justice and Constitutional Development. Terence, good evening. What happens next?
Good evening, and thank you for having us. As we've indicated, that the department is currently studying the judgment in detail to understand the full legal reasoning that informed the court's decision in Malawi. Once this process has been concluded, an appropriate course of action will be determined, including the possibility of an appeal.
The High Court in Malawi accused South Africa of, quote, clutching at straws. They say there were flaws in documentation, and they say that you relied on hearsay. What's your response to that?
Well, we respectfully do not agree with the court's findings regarding the alleged flaws in documentation and the characterization of evidence as hearsay. Should the department decide to approach the court again, we are confident that the evidence presented will demonstrate that the extradition request was properly substantiated and met the necessary legal requirements.
So bluntly put, is this decision from Malawi a result of failures by the Justice Department?
We do not view this outcome as a failure on the part of the department. South Africa presented a compelling case for extradition based on the fact that individuals concerned are fugitives, as you would know, who violated their bail conditions, absconded from the country, and face serious charges, money laundering, rape. All those factors clearly establish that they are extraditable under applicable legal framework.
Terence Manasseh, thank you so much for your time.